Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I want to tell you about Parkinson's disease detection by using machine learning algorithms and hand movement signal from LeapMotion sensor. The content of the presentation are given on the slide. Nowadays, a large number of people suffer from Parkinson's disease. The most significant PD motor symptoms are muscle stiffness, hypokinesia, rest tremor, post-nual instability. Hypokinesia is the most important symptom for diagnosis of the disease. Its assessment is mainly based on special motor tasks present in the Part 3 of the MCD-UPDRS. The results of works presented on the slide based on calculation of kinematic parameters of hand movements from UPDRS. The authors obtained classification results using machine learning algorithm, both for each motor task separately and with combination of 3 tasks. To record hand movements data, various sensors were used in the works. The ratio of the PD patient and healthy patient group was different in each works. The study involved 16 patients with PD and 16 patients in the control group without any neurological disorders. Data recording was carried out using the LeapMotion sensor, which was located at the arm's length from the patient. The patient's hand was located in the sensor working area, at the distance 15–13 cm. Before starting, the participants was instructed to perform the following motor tasks from UPDRS: finger tapping, pronation-supination of hands, opening-closing hands movement with the maximum possible amplitude and speed. Each task was recorded for 16 seconds. The movement signals of each hand was recorded separately, twice for each patient, with breaks for rest. The total number of records was 128. During processing of the records, data separation of right and left hands was not carried out. LeapMotion allows to obtain the rotation angles and key points coordinates in 3D space. For each motor task, the plot of the dependence amplitudes movement of the frame number was plotted by calculation. For finger tapping, Euclidean distance between the index fingertip and thumb fingertip. For open-closing, Euclidean distance between the middle fingertip and palm center. For pronation-supination, angle of rotation of the palm center. With Python libraries, for peak founder, the maximum and minimum points on the movement plots were determined. Additionally, the manual correction of point location was used. The feature calculation is based on the motor estimation parameters from UPDRS, speed, frequency, and amplitude estimates. The formulas are given on the slide. For each patient's hand movement records of the control group and PD group, 25 kinematic features were calculated for each exercise using the maximum and minimum points making on the signal. The classification results in this work consist of the results of the different feature vectors formation and the results of the different feature selection ways. For PD detection, the training was carried out using 4 classifiers: KNN, SVM, decision tree, random forest. Testing was conducted in the 8-fold cross-validation mode to construct a model of the difference between the 2 groups. The different variations of feature vector were used. For each variation of the feature vector, the best combination of features was selected with logistic regression by ranking the features by significance. The ways of feature formation are presented on the slide. The main results of the different ways of feature formation are presented on the slide. The classification accuracy using combined features of all motor tasks is higher than each result separately. For a more stable result, to different data sets, pairs of identical features for the right and left hands were selected. The features were ranked by significance with logistic regression in different ways. The feature selection ways are presented on the slide. The main results of the different ways of feature selection are presented on the slide. The best result was obtained with the following way of ranking features: mean values of the identical pairs of features for both hands, where the right and left hands were ranked separately. The main conclusion of this work is presented on the slide. Thank you for your attention.